In this video, you'll learn how to generate scalable Python code using Claude, focusing on best practices for scalability and maintainability.
Have you ever wondered what happens when your application becomes wildly successful overnight? Scalability is what ensures your app can handle that growth without crashing. In this video, we'll explore how to generate scalable Python code with the help of Claude. We'll cover everything from designing robust architectures to handling data efficiently. Plus, we'll dive into real-world examples to illustrate how these principles apply in practice. Stick around as we unlock the secrets to building applications that not only meet today's demands but are also ready for tomorrow's challenges.
Scalability refers to an application's ability to grow and manage increased demand. In the context of Python applications, scalability is crucial because it determines how well your application can handle more users, more data, and more processes. Python, with its rich ecosystem and flexibility, is well suited for creating scalable applications. However, there are challenges like inefficient data handling and poor architectural design that can hinder scalability. Key factors affecting scalability include the choice of algorithms, data structures, and the overall architecture of the application. Efficient code design, therefore, becomes a cornerstone of scalability, ensuring that applications remain responsive and capable as they grow.
Claude is an AI tool that assists developers in generating code efficiently. It leverages machine learning algorithms to suggest code snippets, optimize code, and even refactor existing code to improve performance. By using Claude, developers can ensure that their Python code is not only functional but also optimized for scalability. The benefits of using Claude include reduced development time, improved code quality, and enhanced scalability. Claude's impact on scalability is profound, as it helps developers identify potential bottlenecks and suggests improvements. Real-world applications of Claude include its use in large-scale web applications, data processing systems, and more, where scalability is a critical concern.
A well-designed architecture is the backbone of any scalable application. It determines how components interact, how data flows, and how efficiently resources are utilized. Common architectural patterns include microservices, which promote scalability by breaking down applications into smaller, independent services. This contrasts with monolithic architectures, which can become cumbersome as the application grows. When designing for scalability, consider factors like load balancing, data partitioning, and service orchestration. Tools and frameworks like Kubernetes for container orchestration and Django or Flask for web applications provide robust solutions for building scalable architectures. By choosing the right architecture, you lay a strong foundation for scalability and future growth.
Data handling is a critical component of scalability. Efficient data storage solutions like SQL and NoSQL databases can significantly impact your application's ability to scale. Techniques such as data sharding and partitioning help manage large datasets effectively. Using databases like PostgreSQL or MongoDB, which are designed for scalability, ensures that your application can handle increased data loads gracefully. Additionally, data caching strategies, such as using Redis or memcached, can improve response times and reduce the load on your database by caching frequently accessed data. By implementing these data handling strategies, you ensure that your application remains responsive and can manage growth efficiently.
Avoiding common scalability issues is key to maintaining a robust application. Identifying scalability bottlenecks, such as inefficient algorithms or database queries, is the first step. Common coding pitfalls include not utilizing Python's asynchronous capabilities or failing to optimize loops and data structures. Performance optimization tips, like using list comprehensions and generator expressions, can enhance efficiency. Regular code reviews help catch potential issues early, ensuring a high standard of code quality. Monitoring tools, such as New Relic or Datadog, provide insights into application performance and help identify areas for improvement. By addressing these issues proactively, you ensure that your application scales smoothly and remains performant. Learning from real-world examples provides valuable insights into scalable solutions. Case studies of successful Python projects, such as Instagram and Spotify, reveal the strategies they use to scale their applications. Lessons learned from these applications include the importance of choosing the right architecture, optimizing data handling, and leveraging cloud services for scalability. The impact of scalability on business growth is significant, as it enables companies to handle increased demand and reach more users. Key takeaways for developers include the need for continuous improvement, regular performance assessments, and staying informed about new tools and techniques. By studying these examples, developers can apply proven strategies to their own projects and achieve scalability success.
Testing for scalability is crucial to ensure that your application can handle growth. The importance of scalability testing lies in its ability to simulate real-world conditions and identify potential issues before they impact users. Types of scalability tests include load testing, stress testing, and capacity testing, each focusing on different aspects of scalability. Tools like JMeter or Load Runner facilitate scalability testing by simulating user loads and measuring performance. Integrating testing into the development process ensures that scalability is considered from the outset, rather than as an afterthought. Continuous scalability assessment, through regular testing and monitoring, ensures that your application remains responsive and efficient as it grows. Continuous scalability improvement is essential for maintaining a robust application in the long term. The importance of continuous improvement lies in its ability to adapt to changing demands and technologies. Strategies for regular updates include implementing agile development practices, which allow for iterative improvements and quick responses to feedback. Leveraging feedback from users and stakeholders provides valuable insights into areas for improvement. Staying informed about new trends and technologies, such as advancements in cloud computing or machine learning, ensures that your application remains competitive. Building a culture of scalability within your development team fosters an environment of innovation and proactive problem solving, ensuring your application's continued success.
In conclusion, building scalable applications requires a comprehensive approach that includes designing scalable architectures, implementing efficient data handling, and continuously testing and improving your code. By applying the strategies learned in this video, you can ensure that your Python applications are ready to handle growth and increased demand. We'd love to hear about your experiences with scalability. Share your stories in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos in our series on Python development best practices. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into optimizing performance in Python applications.